The biggest difference between you and rich people is they know stuff that you don't know. That's why you need to come to our multifamily workshop live at Disney's Dolphin Resort in Orlando this January 20th and 21st. So let's talk about the event. My goal is to help as many people as possible make $1 million on their first multifamily deal. You all know that I cannot possibly guarantee that, but it's my goal. I'm living proof you can do it. We've helped lots of people do it, and I want to make sure that we're putting you in the best position possible so you can do it. So here's what we're going to talk about at this event. First of all, you got to know why you need to invest in multifamily. Like how do we make money doing this thing? Why is it so profitable? We're going to cover that because I think that's critical. Secondly, I'm going to talk about why rich people do this. And guess what? Most of them do. It's just not us trying to make a living. Rich people invest in multifamily real estate all the time. They grow a significant part of their wealth in multifamily real estate. How is it that you can buy your first apartment building no matter what your situation is, right? Maybe you don't have any money. I think back to when I got started. I had no net worth. I had no liquidity. I had no clue what I was doing, but I was still able to figure out how to buy my first apartment building. So I know how to help you figure out a way to solve those problems. We're going to show you how we find, analyze, and buy our deals. There's nothing like showing you exactly what we do in real life, because that's the process in real life. That's what we do. I want to share that with you. Finally, you're going to leave with a plan that probably makes sense for you. We're going to help you develop that right there at the workshop. And it is my goal that you leave with a plan that you can implement probably at the event. We are also going to talk about our portfolio, what's going on the ground in real life. I think that's really important. We can talk in an abstract way about how you make money in real estate, but I want to show you exactly how we're doing it and exactly how our deals are done. And finally, you're going to have incredible networking opportunities here. Here's the fact of real estate. Nobody does real estate all by themselves. It's just too capital intensive. Everybody runs out of money eventually. And so that's why most people, ourselves included, we use partners to do this business. And so there is a very real possibility that you're going to meet your potential next partner at this event. All right, so here's the thing. There's a little over 100 seats available. This is not going to be a massive event. This is conference season at Disney and in Orlando, and they squeezed us in here. I have no ability to expand this beyond what I already have available to us. So if you're interested in coming, I need you to act quick, because I'm telling you this thing's going to sell out, and then I'm going to feel terrible because you'll have to go on the wait list. I can't add to the room. There is no room at the hotel to make this event any bigger. So please, if you're interested, do one of a few things. Number one, go to kripartners.com/Orlando and check it out. Number two, call or text us at 216-290-1710, and we'll get you all the information that you need. Or third, just click the link and check it out. All right. I hope to see you there. Thanks. If you like the content that we've shared here, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. So thank you again, and have a wonderful day.